crazy goal for myself in the year 2023, and more than likely it's unachievable, and more than likely I will definitely fail. The goal is to get every single car in the car collection on a trickle charger. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel, and welcome back, vlog. I realize a lot of you guys are doubting me, and I understand that because every single video we're jump starting cars. However, C-Tech charger on the M3 Lightweight. Ferrari 458 is also on a trickle charger. You see, you guys are doubting me, but there's no reason to be doubting. The Lamborghini Countach we have on the Lamborghini trickle charger. The Espada is also powered by C-Tech. So we have one goal and one goal only today. I want to drive this 430 race car on the road today. I have not driven the car in about 9 months. I put it on the trickle charger 48 hours ago, and the goal was to recondition the battery, and unfortunately, based on what I see, the battery is absolutely 100% gone. So we're going to remove the battery, we're going to replace the battery, and we're just going to kind of sort of hope and pray that somehow, some way it works. Of course, one of the key details of having trickle chargers, you always want to make sure to unplug them, because otherwise if you drive away, that's a bad day, and today, perfect. The 458 was puffing blue smoke in the last video, but I'm pretty sure it's because I hadn't driven the car. It also had like a low voltage issue, so I think if we drive the car, we should be okay. Unfortunately, the battery in the 430 Challenge is just like a little bit inconvenient. It is in the passenger footwell, so we gotta dig way down there. As you guys are soon about to discover, there is no aesthetically pleasing way to actually remove this battery, so I do apologize, but this is the only way to do it. One technique. There's so much dust down here. 15 minutes later, too easy. After seeing the date on this battery, I'm not super surprised. The 12th of July, 2015, so this battery is 8 years old. Even the people in the Jeep love this car. So I just went to AutoZone, and unfortunately they didn't have the battery in stock, but maybe Batteries Plus will. If they don't have it, nobody has it, right? Unfortunately, as I kind of sort of figured, they do not have the battery in stock. They could order it. It's about a month and a half out. Buy a race car, they said. It'd be fun, they said. I don't know what to do. I'm sure there's some race car reason why the challenge car needs like a special battery, but that is obviously above my pay grade. All I know how to do is go fast. I know my channel's not a nature channel, but the cherry blossom game here in Utah, are you kidding me? Also, landscaping has officially begun on the new house. I realize the landscaping doesn't look that impressive, but we have brand new fresh topsoil. I said we were getting grass. I said we were selling the Supra, we were getting grass. Also, a couple baby reds. Best design element of this entire house. I told you guys we were selling the Supra and we were buying grass, and I did not lie to you guys. We're getting grass, we're getting irrigation, we're getting bushes, we're getting trees, and they just dropped the topsoil. Where'd that button go? Like, how does that fall off? And then also, this plastic surround on the mirror, like, I think, well, so it would appear that I have a lot of parts to order. I need a new battery for the 430 Challenge. I need a new button right there. We need a new mirror surround for the 458. Every single time I drive a car, everything is falling apart. Have a car collection, they said. Like, the lighting is awful, but that looks terrible. Like, look at that. I already instantly regret this. It looks so much worse. The lighting is absolutely atrocious, so you can't tell, but it looks disgusting. If I make this shot, you owe me 20 bucks. I made the shot. On the onset of today's video, I said we had one goal and one goal only, and it was to drive the 430 Challenge. And now, because we can't find this elusive and exclusive battery, that dream has died a very, very fast death. We're gonna order a new battery. It's probably 5 days out. It's gonna cost me like $450. But eventually, someday, one day, that goal is gonna be achieved, just not during this video. However, there is a silver lining in all this. I just got a call from Envision. The Nissan Z, the air ride, the wheels are done. We're gonna Uber there, we're gonna pick it up, and we're just gonna pray and hope that somehow, some way I don't break that car, because nearly every single car I own is broken. I just want to point out the swagger on this guy. You get the little steering wheel chain. Of course. That's honestly, I'm not making fun of you, that's actually sick. This is sick. The color on this thing, so it's called Blue Nethunes Full STO. I would reckon, and I think you would agree with me, don't you think the STOs without the liveries look way better? Oh yeah, way quicker. And they're gonna age way better too. So Trevor just brought up a funny story about this color. So this original color was called Monterey Blue. Yep. And it's my understanding, you can correct me if I'm wrong, the city of Monterey got mad, or somebody there.
Someone got upset.
Didn't they like try to sue Lamborghini, so then Lamborghini changed the color? Yep. So now it's Blue Nethunes, not Neptune, because Neptune would also be mad. Nethunes. Nethunes. Exactly. Blue Nethunes. Amazing color, but Monterey Blue is a pretty cool name. Now there's a very special surprise here at Envision. Ladies and gentlemen, the rarest car in the state of Utah, the Koenigsegg CCXR. It has a manual transmission, and Nate is gonna tell you all the technical details on this car. How much power?
More than we could both handle.
Okay, how many manual transmission Koenigsegg's are built? 4? Okay, 4? 3? No, there's more than that. Okay, so suffice to say, nobody knows anything about this car except it's worth a small fortune and it has a custom exhaust from Bowden Auto House. That thing is sick. Now that is cool and I appreciate that, but ladies and gentlemen, I'm honestly shocked how much better this car looks. Like if any Nissan executives are watching today's video, I don't mean to insult you, but the factory wheels are absolute trash. Like this car, it's true though. You agree? Yes, we can.
Just because I agree doesn't mean we can say that.
Yes, we can. We can say whatever we want. It's a free country and God bless America. But it's true though. Am I wrong?
No.
You guys
no,
aren't feeding my ego, right? No, I hand selected these wheels and they look incredible. Like the whole feel of the entire car. It is a complete game changer. And then check this baby out. We got the air tank right there. It is such a clean install. I'm telling you, I had no idea, bro. Like, you are the best of the best. That is sick.
Thanks,
thank
man.
you.
Appreciate
Thank you. It looks so good. We got the white wheels, and I think without further ado, we probably, maybe?
It's a little too tall right now.
Yeah. We got to air it down. A really cool part of this setup from Airlift Performance, there's actually a special app, and via Bluetooth, like some weird wizardy technology, we can actually control the air ride from our telephone. Let's see it in action.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Bro, that's so sick. That's so cool. This thing is absolutely slammed to the ground. Now, honestly, like, wait, what did I miss? You guys making fun of me behind my back?
Yeah. No. It was. I sent him a text. Yeah.
Oh, geez.
Just a little bit.
That is like on the floor right there.
Yeah, you can go down a little bit more in the back. The front is about as low as it can possibly go. So I kind of matched the rear to the front, but you can actually go down just a tad bit more, just to.
Dude, it looks crazy. Now, if there is anybody who's looking for the most hideous set of wheels in their entire life, I will make you a very, very aggressive deal. And you can talk to Nate. You get to meet Nate. Oh. Whoever buys these wheels gets to meet Naterade, and that alone makes it worth it. Will you please stop making fun of my gas cap? Anytime you walk over to my car, you start making fun of me.
It's an air brake.
It is an air brake. Also, I noticed, it's April 3rd today, right? Right? April 3rd. It's April 3rd. It's definitely April 3rd. You're off by a month. Your phone's off by a month. In my defense, I haven't gotten the title quite yet. UHP they'll understand, right?
Sure.
Of course. Now, today's video is not a knock on the Nissan Z, but the resolution on this backup camera, like, what is going on?
It reminds me of your Gallardo backup camera.
Which is a 2006.
Yeah.
And that's a lot of math, but that's like 18 years old. 18, yeah. Wow, 18, 14, 17. 17 years old, and it's the same resolution as a Lamborghini Gallardo backup camera. The nice thing about Nate is I don't even have to encourage him to drive fast. We got 400 horsepower, we got a Tesla. Bro, ruined our video.
Always.
That's it. That's the only acceleration you get.
NPC right there.
Yep. Wow. Oh, okay. Jeez, you are firing on all cylinders today. NPC. That's what I would say. You know what? I've said too much. I love Teslas. That's what an NPC would say.
Yeah.
Well, once again, massive shout out to the homies off at Envision. The next time we're here, my Aventador might be full carbon. Wait, what? Yeah, that's right. Unfortunately, the remainder of today's video is going to be dedicated to the 400 horsepower twin turbocharged V6 of the Nissan Z, but unfortunately, we are sat in Utah traffic, so all right. Oscar! Hey! Flufa! Yeah, come on, bud. We're leaving. We gotta go. Yeah, you got it. Good boy. Good boy. You are so smart. Yes, you are. I love you, bud. It's just a proud dad moment. You're getting so smart, bud. I can honestly not get over how much better this car looks, even from the front 3/4, which I think is one of the weaker angles on the car. With the new wheels, it like transforms the entire look. And of course, riding shotgun, we got a little Oscar Marshmallow. Good job, bud. For some reason, unbeknownst to me, I don't think Oscar's gonna quite like this, but... What was that? What was that, Oscar? Oh, what's happening? Hey, no. Sit down, bud. Sit, it's just an air compressor. We're fine. It's not too loud in the cabin either. We obviously have 2 air compressors in the back. Reasonably so, considering how fast it airs up and airs down. It's not that loud. I took a lot of blame in the neighborhood, but I'm not so sure I'm the only guilty party. We got Burlacker double parked with the Corvette. We got the NSX just chilling right there. And what is going on with Nick's yard? I was just getting ready to flex on you. When in doubt, air it out, baby. Air it out. Look at that. Look at that. Wow, you're looking sharp today. Wait, look at those kicks. Are those brand new?
Matching the Z.
Don't worry, I got you. Whoa! It's so low.
Is it calibrated for my weight?
Absolutely not. I don't think anything is calibrated for your weight.
I think we just broke something.
I love the look of the Nissan Z right now, but truth be told, like stock body on Air Ride, it kind of looks like a little bit goofy. It is cool, but once this thing is wide body, Girth Nation, Stance Nation, all in one. So real quick, we're just gonna double tap, and bada bing, bada boom. Not bad.
That's quick.
It's not too bad. Okay, where are we going?
Guys 5.
Guys 5, okay. When I first moved to Utah, I would never see Lamborghinis no matter what. Like I might see 1 or 2 a summer, and now, like they are everywhere. Also, shout out to this homie, his window tint. Can we point out, it is as clear as day. That baby is a proper fishbowl. That guy, he follows the law.
Why don't
He's
you
legal.
have a Huracan?
Coming soon, October or November.
No matter what you do, you can do all this, but as long as you have that, that does not look good because of that. What are you doing about the gas cap, bro?
Sorry, that was profound. Is that how you do meetings at work? That's how you do it.
Yes.
That's how you get the job done. How many
Yes.
people do you manage at the office right now?
75?
That's crazy because
Yeah.
when I used to work for you, you managed me and like 1 other person, and then you fired me, and then you just managed 1 person.
You know what's great about all 75 people?
None of them been fired.
They all laugh at my jokes.
He basically pays them to laugh at his jokes. That's why I got fired. The truth finally comes out.
The gas cap, bro. What are you gonna do about that?
Appreciate you. Thank you.
Good luck.
I'll see you soon.
Wide body?
Soon, yes.
Okay.
I gotta be honest with you guys, when I bought this Nissan Z, I was very, very skeptical, but now with the right fitment, the right wheels, I always say the running joke is, only a front end a mother could love, but like, it's pretty sick. It's all coming together. Maybe the Nissan executives knew what they were doing. The one thing I love about this car, it is built, it is meant to be modified, which is exactly what we're doing. The white wheels, the Nardo gray. Now the $1 million question, Nardo gray with the white. Should we wrap the car? Should we paint the car? Now if we do, we got that blue interior as well though. And so whatever color we choose, it's got to work with the blue interior. So like a lime green is not going to work with that. An orange isn't going to work with that. Obviously a blue would work with it. A white would work with it. Purple kind of sort of would work with it, maybe. What do you guys think though? Do we wrap it or do we leave it the Nardo gray? Now the wide body kit, we got to cut the fenders. We have the exhaust coming soon as well. So we got a lot more to do with this car, but each and every single day, I'm starting to dig it. I just had a moment, an epiphany, a realization of sorts. The Nissan Z looks crazy on Air Ride. You have to admit, like that car looks absolutely sensational. Now imagine for 1 split second, this car slammed to the ground. This is a Liberty Walk wide body. The Aventador Roadster is also a Liberty Walk wide body. They're both on coilovers. Imagine that car slammed to the ground. That car slammed to the ground to match the Nissan Z. You gotta admit, that would look crazy. The cars, they drive amazing. Like they drive amazing on coilovers, but there's something about Air Ride that is just cool. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I don't know, I honestly don't know what to do. I think it would be cool, but at the same time, I think on that bombshell, today's video is over.